Hey guys, this is my homemade 12 gauge brake barrel shotgun. The stock still needs buffed, Wes ain't a buffed, but it's all reinforced with steel bars running through everywhere, and then epoxied in. It's got an 18.5-inch barrel, single shot. Firing pin sits right in there. It's got a groove cut in it for this lock. So the screw goes down in there, holds the firing pin in place, and it also acts as a lock for the barrel. Swings out, locks it back in. It's got a half cock and a full cock. Thanks for watching.